Hi, it's Jimmy. Welcome to day 3 of 75 hard, but for golf. If you watch yesterday's vlog, I didn't hit my 52 degree really well. If you watch yesterday's vlog, I didn't hit my 52 degree well at all. So I've come out here this morning while the sun's coming up, just to hit a few of them, because it's going to be another hot day today. Had a look at the footage yesterday. All I did, everything was very armsy. Well, that's a great start, see? It's at this point now where I tend to get in my own head about it, so let's just change the routine. It's just a wedge, mate. It's just a wedge. It's just a wedge. I can hit a wedge. There we go. It's just a wedge. Alright, so I'm just going to do a few of these, the 52 today, and then I'm going to hit some more bunker shots. I was out here when it was a bit darker earlier, just chipping, and then the guys getting the course ready for today. So I've come out to the practice range now. The sun's starting to come up so I can get the camera out. Just a wedge, nothing to be scared of. The reason why I've been focusing on my short game the last couple of days is I've got a bit of bursitis in my shoulder and I need to sort that out. So I don't really want to swing big, heavy, hard shots every day. I have got competition golf on Wednesday, which is the Chook Run of 9 holes, so I'll be playing that. But otherwise, I just want to practice all my short game stuff at the moment. That one was a bit chunky. Another shank, okay. Might rest on that for now. Oh. If anyone's got any suggestions for a small bag, let me know. That one's way too small, it doesn't fit on my back properly. I picked it up on the way down to Torquay one day, just thinking it'd be okay just for a couple of clubs, but I'm just too big. All right, when I come down to the range, I always bring another club to go pick the balls up, especially when there's no one here, because the balls are often in a really weird lie because it does get a bit thick out here. It is just a practice fairway, so it's nothing like what you see at the really nice courses in, America when they're out there, whatever, and it just looks like another part of the course. This is just literally just a paddock that we're hitting balls into, which is fine. So I like to bring another club and just hit the ball from where it stands and aim at one of these greens behind me. So let's drop this down here. Hopefully you can see this ball on that one. Now, it's a 56 degree that I've got that I usually just practice with. 56 degree won't make that green based on just my normal shot, but at least I'm just hitting it in a different lie. Just more practice while I'm out here. Oh, that's it's rolled up onto the green. Let's see if we can see it. So that one's rolled up onto the green, and we're just short of the actual pin, I reckon. All right, so there's another couple up here. We'll grab this ball. It's a nice hard lie. Nice firm hard lie right here. Not going to be a full swing. This one's going to be more of a chip, which you're going to need to practice. I don't know if you can see that ball down there, but we'll get there in a second. So I think this is where I'm supposed to use the bounce of the club to get it done. Yeah. I really struggle with this sort of stuff. That's okay. All right. I just realised the camera's not on follow me mode, so you may not have picked any of that up. But we'll go up and get this ball. I'm going to be out here for another 15 or so minutes before I get ready to go to work. And then that'll probably get up to my 50 balls. So yeah, I'll end this part of the vlog here. Just going to be a short one today. I did do some stretching earlier. Oh my goodness, I'm only about a metre away from the hole. Before I do. So yeah, it actually worked out really well. Yeah, cool. So we'll end it here with the sun rising. I know it's a very early morning and a very a quick vlog today, but just got a busy day. I wanted to come down here, just whack a few balls, which I've done. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.